Tired of boring default post lists on your WordPress site? Learn how to add a dynamic loop grid in Elementor in just a few clicks. First, edit your homepage, then navigate to Pro, and finally activate the loop grid via Upgrade. First, go to Edit Home with Elementor. Then, click on Highlight. Now, click on Pro in the panel. Then, click on Pro again to continue. Next, click on Loop Grid to add that widget. Then, click on Upgrade to connect custom layouts directly to your site database, seamlessly rendering dynamic content queries that engage your site visitors. Go ahead and click Upgrade Now to proceed. Finally, click Upgrade Now once more, and that's it. Happy building! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.